Got a job for you. I don't need to tell you that Viviro is a life. Hit that slave camp hard. Suerte.
Hola, guerrilla. Time for a test drive of the Supremo. Now, if things get too heavy with the soldados, just pull the trigger. But one tiny, tiny thing you should know.
Uh-huh.
The Supremos are in an experimental phase. They need to breathe after you use them. You know, so they don't overload and kill you.
Could have told me before I strapped one to my back.
Just let that Supremo feed off the blood of your enemies.
What?
You'll get it, Danny. You'll get it.
Over here,
What
my
can you
friend.
tell me?
You want to hit the military where it hurts? There's an anti-aircraft site on Santuario. Blow it up.
Hey, thanks.
Listen, I'm not going to bullshit you. I wanted to do this alone, but Clara gave me an order.
I can handle myself.
Don't give a shit. So could Lita. She should be here right now, but instead, I get you.
And I'm supposed to be in Miami, but instead, my two best friends are dead, and I'm stuck here with you. So, truce?
Enough talk. Step 1, we hit the tobacco. Step 2, we destroy their poison supply. Step 3, we get the fuck out of there, and Castillo gets a nice pretty message from Libertad.
Got it.
Take this gear. It'll protect you from fire, and more importantly, Castillo's fucking poison. Using the right protective gear in the right situation will keep you alive.
Yeah, right tool for the right job. Been hearing that a lot lately. Vamos! Listen, Julio. Lita was like a sister to me.
She shouldn't have been on that fucking boat. She died because of you.
No. Anton Castillo killed Lita. If I could change anything, it would be me dying on that beach. Lita was a better person than I could ever be. And if she loved you, well, that just says a lot about who you are.
Enough. Look, if you and I are going to do this, we need to know about the poison.
You mean that shit they spray on the leaves?
Its real name is PG-240, but we call it the poison because it fucks up your system. Try not to breathe it or get it on your skin. It can make you go fucking crazy or sick, like deep down sick. And if that doesn't get you, the cancer that grows inside you will.
Coño.
So you're military. Marksman? Close assault? What's your thing?
I'm good with guns. We get along.
We'll start thinking. That gear I gave you is good for fire and poison, but guerrillas need gear that fits their style, no matter the situation, or they get themselves killed. This is a good place to scout it.
Right behind you.
Let's see what we're up against. Up here, dale. See the Viviro tobacco and the yellow poison tanks?
See.
Punch holes in the tanks to let the poison out into the air. Fun fact, poison and fire make a hell of a mix. Big boom. Same idea with the fumigators. They're hard to kill, but they can't take the heat. You've got a flamethrower. You've got that Supremo. Time to fuck up all this Viviro bullshit. You know, Lita and I had a ritual. Psych us up before battle. A song.
Hit me.
El movimiento de libertad. Oh, bella ciao, bella ciao. Bella ciao, ciao, ciao.
For Lita.
Residents of Santuario Island, there is a viper in your midst. The terrorist of La Garcia, the so-proclaimed leader of Libertad, on your island by our navy. If you see her, or any Libertad terrorista, inform the first military officer you see, or your local protectores de la patria. The sooner we find this snake, the sooner you may see the dead, knowing that we are all on the same road to paradise.
So hungry. They said they would feed us soon.
They said that yesterday, and the day before that, they made us eat pizza. That was
We'll
close.
have food tonight. I don't know how you can be so optimistic. Trust the food.
Whoa! Get away from here!
Down. There it is again.
Put the whip.
Run before you get hurt!
¡No! ¡Para, por favor!
We'll burn this fucking place to the ground.
El movimiento de libertad. Oh, vela, chao, 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 es para todos. Es un gran fuego que nuestra isla salvará. Juntos peleamos, solo morimos. Oh, vela, chao, 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 que vemos todos. Volveremos a empezar. Ala. Podrán golpearme, ametrallarme. Oh, vela, chao, chao, con mi sonrisa ensangrentada. Nuestra lucha continuará. Y si me muero, lo haré riendo. Oh, vela, chao, chao. Y si mi cuerpo arde en las llamas, sean llamas de libertad.
I could swear I hear music!
Encadenado. Oh, vela, chao, chao, la tierra mía me la han robado y han incendiado mi país. Abran sus ojos, hay un tirano. Oh, vela, chao, chao, ese tirano desde su torre nuestras cadenas salen. El movimiento de libertad. Oh, vela, chao, chao, es para todos. Es un gran fuego que nuestra isla salvará. He despertado, encadenado. Oh, vela, chao, la tierra mía me la han robado, han incendiado mi país. Abran sus ojos, hay un tirano. Oh, vela, chao, ese tirano desde su torre nuestras cadenas salen.
On my way. Burning flamethrower. Felt familiar.
Danny. This is just the beginning.
Binga!
Hey. Shit. You really can hold your own.
I don't want to say I told you so, but...
Look, we should move. That was a hell of a light show, and they're going to see the smoke.
We work well together.
See, listen, if you are good with Lita, you're good with me. Gracias, Danny. Meet you back at camp.
Clara, I hope you can see the smoke from where you are.
You struck a blow against Castillo today. I hope Julio wasn't too rough on you.
He's hurting, but okay.
Fuck with me,
I think Lita would be smiling right now.
Danny, there's someone I want you to meet. His name is Benito. He's a local fisherman, which means boats for Libertad. He lives on the east side of Casas Cove.
Always got time to make new friends.
You're building bridges for me, Danny. It's your gift. We need Benito. Talk to him.
Dímelo. Let me guess. Clara García. Suerte mía.
Danny. The only thing better than a guerrilla is a guerrilla with a nice ride.
You want me to steal one? Been doing that since I was a kid.
You're in the big leagues now. You need a car? Just call for one. I'll have a friend bring it right to you.
Gracias. But you don't have any friends, Juan.
Just shut up and call for a car, Danny.
is a nice car.
That's not a car, Danny. That is a 1956 Beaumont Valentina. She's a work of art. Just like me. Except I don't have a ram welded to my chassis to fuck up anyone gets in your way.
You're definitely one of a kind.
Now go get those fascists like...
Firme, intruso. Show yourself.
Take good care of her, mijita. In?
Teach you not to do that?
Yeah, taking care of a comandante problem for Benito.
Watch yourself. The military in Bencejo is much stronger, better equipped, and better trained. Find some high ground, do some scouting before you pull the trigger. Remember, rule number 9, right tool for the right job.
Rule number 10.
You're an adult and can make your own decisions. Spread your wings and fly, little bird.
Sign of Rosario. I should keep looking. Rosario's not here. She has to be at the other side. Comandante Rosario isn't here. I need to keep searching. Comandante isn't here. No sign of Rosario. I should keep looking. I need to keep searching.